I'm Marie. Time to drink up, guys. Sip, sip. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day of my life. As you guys have seen plastered all over my page, I recently got the CRICUT for Christmas, which I'm super excited about. Today I'm going to show you guys how I set it up on my computer and on my desktop. There's like a Bluetooth option, so I'm going to set it up. I'm going to create something super quick, and then I'll show you guys that whole process, so that way you can see like a behind the scenes of what that looks like. I'm super excited. Stay tuned. So right now I'm plugging the cord into the CRICUT, and then I'm going to plug it into my laptop. So I got the tools. I'm going to cut those out. I also have this, but I'm not creating anything with that, so I won't need the mat or the easy press. That will be for another video. Look out for that one. I got the vinyl that I'm going to use. So you'll need this little thing right here. It says let's get started. It gives you all of the steps on like some cards. So it says unleash this. You're gonna plug it in and power it, which I already showed you guys. The second step says get connected. So I'm going to go on CRICUT.com setup, and it's going to walk me through the steps. I believe I can do Bluetooth setting from my desktop, which is in my room, and then I can use the laptop from here, which is connected via the cord. The next step says make a little something. Practice projects with fun materials in the box, and in the box it included this and the cardstock black paper, and then like a white one. So we shall see. With this vinyl, I'm gonna need a transfer paper. So I got that, I got my scissors, I got the tools, and the last one says bookmark. So yeah, stay tuned guys. So I'm gonna pull up Safari and type in CRICUT.com setup. So now you're going to want to agree to the terms and conditions, hit download and allow. Once that's finished downloading, you're going to click install. And then once that's finished, you're going to want to drag the CRICUT icon to the applications folder. Once you do that, you'll be able to see it and launch it from the launchpad. So just scroll over and you should see the CRICUT icon now in your applications. It's going to ask you to hit open. Once you open that, you should see product setup or sign in. Since it's my first time, I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I'm going to choose which CRICUT machine I have. And from here, it's going to ask you to follow these steps. So I just turned it on. You guys have to make sure you plug it in. Don't be like me and wonder why it's not turning on or connecting. So I'm gonna peel off the plastic. It also comes with this book. Shows you guys different things you can create. I'm going to open these up. I'm just using the black vinyl, like I said. And then I got my transfer paper and some scissors. A video taught me that you can actually use this several times and not just the one time and discard it. It's actually better after a few uses. So I figured I would let you guys know that. So yeah, let's create. So once that's connected to your CRICUT, it's going to say update, then success. There's a free trial that you can try for 30 days. Now I'm going to take off all of the wrapping, take off the stickers, and make sure that it is powered on. At the very top, you can see that there's different options. You have paper, vinyl, cardstock, and more. All right. Let's test a cup. Select an image to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the black lips because they're super cute. Then it's going to tell you to make sure that you turn the dial to cardstock, and I'm going to double check that it is. So there you go, it's on cardstock. It's going to say to prepare to cut. So on the CRICUT mat, you want to make sure that you line that up. I'm going to open this beauty now. You want to remove the styrofoam that's there. It's just protecting the needle from hitting down. So this is everything that it includes. It has a spatula, a weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. Once I take all of the tools out, I'm going to place them neatly in this cute little pocket right here. Keeps it organized. Now I'm going to place the mat directly aligned with the rollers, and the cardstock that came with the kit, I'm going to use that and place that nice and neat flat on the mat. It's going to say prepare for your cut. You want to make sure that B blade is actually pushed down and A is open. Hit the arrow, it's going to take the mat closer to the blade, and then you're going to hit the CRICUT button. You should see it flashing at the top when it's ready. And then just wait for your masterpiece to be created. Right now the blade is cutting the beautiful lips that we chose. This machine is so amazing, guys. Like, I'm in awe every time I watch it. I got some cute black lips, guys. Now it says to start designing. I'm gonna play around with it. I'm going to create something. So right here I have a Rae Dunn sake pour, and I actually drink tequila too. So I had this cute idea to create a tequila sticker. So right now I'm just gonna measure out where I'm going to place it, and I'm going to mark it with my thumb. That way I can align it perfectly with the CRICUT mat. So as you can see, I aligned it up perfectly. I hit the arrow at the top. It draws the mat closer. Now I'm just going to type in tequila and try and find a similar font to Rae Dunn. And voila, I found the perfect font. It matches Rae Dunn perfectly, and I'm just going to measure out exactly how I did with the mat and make sure that it's in perfect position to print out. Or shall I say, cut out. I'm going to hit the flashing CRICUT and watch it go. Is I'll take this off and then I put it on the transfer paper. Cut out this exact amount. I'm gonna put it on here. Once I peel this off and stick it on here perfectly, it'll be even, it'll be perfect. If I do it freehand, it's gonna be like CRICUT and stuff. So I'm gonna make this stick down.
I can't do it.
This is my legit first creation, guys. So this is how it looks. Where people have used this as a stencil to spray paint. Oh, gently, guys, so you don't want to ruin the actual like I just did. Now what I'm gonna do is take this off. A lot harder than it looks. I'm going to separate these two, and I'm going to put it perfectly over tequila. I'm going to make sure it's even and straight because I want to make sure that I apply it even and straight. So now I'm going to make sure that it's going to pick it up perfectly. Tequila. Now I'm going to use the spatula to make sure that it's perfectly smooth on the glass and peel off the sticker. So cute! There she is, guys. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to put our names on the little cups that came with it. So again, same steps, only this time since the letters were actually skinnier, I hit the vinyl option. So as you guys can imagine, this was super easy to do, and then I just started creating a bunch of random stickers, and next I'm super excited to film me making some shirts and hoodies and stuff. So until then, enjoy this video. And Marie, time to drink up, guys. Sip, sip. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I showed you guys the unboxing, the setup, creating a small little cute little masterpiece. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and then I'll see you next time.
What's your dream?